Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new Metroguide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a brand new 4-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in Quezon City with a practical and sensible design. Let's go! This property has 3 levels, and let's begin by taking a look at the ground level. And here we go through the pedestrian gate. You immediately have your carport area for 3 vehicles. The parking area has a gravel wash finish, so it isn't slippery. In addition, you have a parallel parking arrangement, so it's easy to move your cars in and out of the area. You have your service area right here, but we'll explore that a bit later. Let's begin by heading on up towards the main entry. Let's go. This property is located along the slope of a hillside. That's why the design is able to accommodate 3 levels. And of course, to also maximize the space in the house. So you have access here towards the patio at the back of the house, which we'll explore later. And what's nice is, this is also excellent if you have pets who love to roam around. And right here, you have your main entry. And it's also covered as well. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. You have an open concept plan for your living and dining space. You have provisions here for lighting. After you purchase the home and you'd like to have your own interior designer, you can have your own aesthetic in terms of the light fixtures that you're gonna place here. You can have your living set right here. You have lots of natural light, and right here from your living space, you have your dining area. Your dining area also has plenty of ventilation, care of this window, and this large sliding door leading out to a tiled and covered patio space. So you have a tiled area right here and a landscape area all the way to the back of the house. So this is a nice additional amenity space for the house. From your patio space and dining area, let's now explore your modern kitchen. You already have your provision here for your cooktop and your oven as well. And plenty of storage space on both sides. You also have ventilation, care of this window. And if you stand right here, you have a great view of your open living and dining space. In addition, you have an area right here, which is maximized as additional storage space. You also have your circuit breakers right here. And this is where you can have your refrigerator as well. And you have this access door towards your service area. So you have an additional wash area right here with access towards the back of the house. And you have some stairs here leading towards the parking area. Let's go. Now we're back here at the ground level where you have a dedicated covered laundry space. So you can have a washer dryer right here, and you have an additional sink space. And from your laundry space right here, you have your first staff room. So I'm gonna walk in so you can see the size of the space. And on the other side, you have a second staff room right here. With a similar size. Both with windows and ventilation, and they have a shared bathroom right here. So it's up to you how you want to maximize and use these rooms. If you have household staff and a driver, these two rooms can be maximized, or you can use one of the rooms as storage as well. It's up to you. You can even maximize this space beside the parking area for the 3 vehicles as an additional parking area if you have a motorcycle. Now we're back here in your main amenity level, and let's explore your first room. So this first room is a multi-purpose room. This can be a bedroom, a guest room, a home office, a playroom, a music room. It's up to you. What's nice about it is it's a corner room with a large window overlooking the street in front of the house. What's nice also about this property is it's located on one of the main streets in the village, giving you fast accessibility towards the main entry. So let's head on over here. You have a bathroom which can serve as a powder room, but at the same time, it can also serve as a bathroom of this first room. So what's nice about the design here is you can place a door here potentially if you'd like to have complete privacy if you're going between the bathroom and this room. So that's just an option in terms of the design. Now let's head on up. Welcome to the third level of this home. You have nice cove lighting over the staircase, so you can have an additional light fixture over here, but it's very well lit. And what's nice is, on top of your living space downstairs, you also have an additional amenity area right here. You have a family hallway space. So another great feature here is it doesn't get in the way of the traffic between the 3 bedrooms here. So you can have a television set and a sofa here, or make this a nice study or home office nook. But as people pass between the different rooms, they don't get in the way of this area. Now let's explore first the second and third rooms and cap off the tour with the master bedroom. And here we go towards the second bedroom. So lots of ventilation and lighting care of these 2 large windows. You can have a single or semi-double bed right here, and you already have a cable provision on this side, so you can have your television set right here. You have built-in quality cabinetry with a nice finish, and you have an ensuite bathroom right here. You have floor-to-ceiling tiling. And right here, let's proceed to your third bedroom. Once again, you have built-in cabinetry. And then you have an area here where you can have your television set. And then this recessed space is perfect for a bed. So you can even have potentially a queen-sized bed right here if you'd like. And you have a nice way in terms of framing your television set with these 2 windows. And you have an ensuite bathroom. So this property is perfect if you're coming from a condo or a townhouse and you'd like to move to a single detached property, or if you're coming from a larger property, for example, a 500 to 1,000 square meter property, and you'd like a very manageable and practical brand new space, this is also an excellent option. And here we have your 4th bedroom, which is also your primary bedroom. It's a corner room, and from this angle you can see that the property is elevated. You have lots of greenery in this village, and what's nice is this room can easily accommodate a king-sized bed and even some nightstands. And this is where you can have your television set. What's nice is this can purely be the area for the bed because you have that family hallway amenity space right here, right beside the master bedroom where you can just lounge before resting here. And from your master bedroom, let's now explore your walk-in closet space. With the size of the property, I love that the designers were able to put such a spacious area for storage of clothes. And having these windows right here is a nice touch so that you still have that open feel and that natural lighting, but at the same time, giving you privacy for your walk-in closet. And then you have your bathroom area right here with nice indirect lighting and a very clean and in Tagalog, pulido, polished finish for the bathroom. And that caps off our house tour for this brand new 4-bedroom house and lot for sale here in Quezon City, Metro Manila. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram and Facebook. And now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.